Here's how to check if your router's DNS is automatic or custom. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your phone and then go to network and connection options or to the Wi-Fi options. And then you will be able to see there the network that you're currently connected with. Now, for you to be able to see the DNS, go ahead and click on the information button that you can see beside the network that you're currently connected with. And as you scroll down, you will see there the configure DNS. And for me, my DNS or the modem or the router of my DNS is on the automatic. You can also go ahead and custom it to manual. You can add a server if you want, but automatic is the recommended and the best version for DNS. You can also edit the configure proxy on your phone. It depends on you if it's manual or automatic. And that is how you check the DNS to your phone.